Hello and welcome back to the madness. So we have a package and I don't know what's in this package. I don't remember. It feels weird. So let's open it up and see what it is. I really don't like this. Okay. Oh, well, it's a diamond painting. It's a very small diamond painting. It is the very cute, oh, what if I not show you my address? Oh gosh, my fingers are so frozen. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this is like teeny tiny. It is a 15 by 30, and you know that is not the painting sides. That is the canvas, for sure. Oh no, I don't know where my measuring tape is. Hold on, guys. Yep, found it. Okay, so, how in the world did I get a knot in my measuring tape? Okay, so okay, let's try to do this. Okay, I wanted to make sure there was nothing. Okay, so there it is, folks. There's the teeniest little painting you'll ever see. I don't remember where I got this from. I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay, my rings are turning because it's so cold. Okay. I mean, I can have this done in probably about 2 hours. That is how freaking small it is. Okay, so let's see. And the glue. Look where the glue ends. That's ridiculous. So, I kind of want to do this but not get it on there. So, how if we do this? Okay, so it's right there to right there. Oh, it is. It's a 15. Okay. By 20. Okay. It looks, it's teeny tiny. I mean, teeny tiny. Here, I'll even do inventory because there can't be that many. How many colors are there? Well, let's look. Oh my gosh, there's 20 colors in this little teeny tiny. Are you kidding me? Well, there's our 3 10s. Let's do inventory together, people. Here, we'll use the gel pen. So, 3 10. We should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's good. 150. 1. 666. 1. 980. Nope. How about if we put glasses on? Maybe this will help us. Oh, it's 3860. 1. 221. 1. 779. 1. I've never done inventory on camera. 823. 2. 939, 2. 317, 2. 413, 2. 3799, 4. 154, 2. 318, 2. 817, 1. 414, 2. 3031, 1. 3072, 1. 451, 1. 3041, 1. And 535, 1. And we have them all. Yay! I mean, it is cute. But once again, I don't remember buying it. And would I really buy something this small? I wonder if this is Mom's. I'm going to have to ask her if she ordered this, because this seems, I mean, I already have Beauty and the Beast. This has to be Mom's. Oh, I did the inventory for her, and you guys got to see. It's a cute little painting. It's got to be Mom's. If it's not, I'm just going to give it to her. So, okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will link it below. I want to say it's AliExpress. Now it's like coming back to me that it was AliExpress. Should we look it up real fast? My phone is right here. So let's look it up real fast. AliExpress. I mean, at least it's really easy and fast. I don't care about your big sale. I'm not ordering anymore. Yep, it was my mom's. AliExpress, $3.14 is what it cost. So, yay! She's got a cute little painting. Yeah, because once I looked at it on there, yeah, no, I didn't buy it. Because it's with a lot of other stuff that she has ordered. So, that's her cute little one. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And let's see what we have coming up later. Cute little fast, easy one. I mean, it is good, you know. If you want a short one to do. Okay, I don't know why I'm packing this away and still keeping you guys here, because I feel like that was really short. But, yep, I'll link it down below, and have a good day. Bye, guys. Hello, and welcome back to the madness. We got a package. We got a package. Let's see what it is. I really do not care for these bags. Do they not understand how difficult they are to get into? Okay. Ooh, it's the kind I like. Yes, ma'am. Oh, this must be a mom's one. Okay, so let's get into this bad boy. Okay. Sorry for the crinkle crinkle. I know that's the annoying crinkle that I don't care for either. I like the other crinkle. Look, you grow out your fingernails and you can actually use them. Oh, wow, what a concept. well, somewhat. It's not my strong fingernails, so. Still a process. I am trying to quit biting. But, oh, that's just awful. Okay, why did I feel like something just leaked on me? Ugh. Oops. Okay. Okay. So. Whew. Got another stinky one. Okay, so this is a 25 by 30. Perfect size for Mom. Okay, let's look at the back. The back looks good. Okay, it is shredding. See, it's shredding. It wasn't me with the scissors that made it happen. Okay. All the symbols look good. Okay, maybe that far. I can't really tell what it looks like. Can we tell in the viewfinder? Not really, because that is giving off, the light is giving off a big, here, let's try this. Oh, wrong way. How about that? Is that better? Kind of? No, not really. Yeah. It's sticky. Yeah. Drill quality is good. Not going to have any problems with any symbols that I can see. There are some weird symbols, though. This, like, a circle with a line through it. But at least there's not, like, a circle next to it. So that's good. There's a Q, but you can definitely tell the difference. So, yeah, she's not going to have a problem with this one whatsoever. But I don't think the quality is there. She should have gotten a bigger print for this image. But, oh well. She'll do it just to do it. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the drills. Why does this feel like a hula can, kind of? I wonder if this is a hula can. Okay. Whoop. Flying drills. Okay. Ooh, here, let's move this big pile right here. There, flip it over. I think I'm gonna put both of these unboxings up together because they're small. So, oh, it's round. You know what? I'm gonna bring out the other canvas too because I am putting it with this one. So, I mean, they are pretty colors, but I didn't show you the drills or the, okay, that bag wants to fall. I mean, it helps that it's around, so if it is a hula can, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look it up on my phone. Okay, those get back in there. They were like peeping out. It's a beautiful blue. Ooh, yeah. 823. Beautiful colors. It's like a, why do I always get olive? That's what it's called. It's an olive color. There's green and a blue with some stragglers in there. Cranberry. Kind of like a white with a green tint, I would say. She's cute. Not something I would pick. Put the bad boys all back in there. Okay, so let's bring this one back up. The teeny one, because I didn't even tell you if it was a square or round. I was just shocked how small it was. Didn't show you the drill quality, nothing. So let's try this again, peeps. Oh yeah, it came with the standard toolkit. It looks like maybe a 9-placer. Yeah. Okay. So, this one is a square. Yeah, I was just so shocked I didn't even look at the drill quality or nothing, because it was just like, let's see, those are going to be a little hard to read, a little. Maybe not. I don't like how faint the G's are. But they do stand out, so it's not like you're going to confuse it with the Q that's right next to it. So that's really good. You can definitely tell the difference. And it is very, very sticky. So, here, let's look. Should be still up there. So this one, well, is this store right here. They actually have it printed. And this one, the first painting, this one is $7.48, and it's from Shop, whole bunch of numbers, store. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it is. Oh, did I order the truck twice? I think I did. Oh my goodness. Oh no, that one is mine. No, I'm going to give it to her. Tracking. Huh. That's just weird. Okay, so that's what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to just put both of these together. They'll blend in easy. So, yep, it was AliExpress, and I will link them below. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.